All right, hey guys, Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about a new emerging market that we're seeing a lot of traction happening in. Still pretty early, but we're seeing some amazing products coming out, okay? What we're going to be talking about is leak detection. So I have yet to meet somebody who does not have a personal experience with a water leak in their home or business, okay? So today we're going to talk about one of those products called LeakSmart. So with LeakSmart, what it is, it's a series of sensors that you put throughout the home in places of potential water. Then if those sense water, they communicate back to the valve and shut the water off for your entire house. Okay, super, super valuable. Most people don't realize that the vast majority of insurance claims are from water damage. They are not from break-ins, they are not from flood, they are not from a tree falling on the house. It's literally from a water leak within the house. And they're often the most expensive form of damage because it just spreads through everything, especially in multi-story houses. So the product we're going to talk about today is called LeakSmart. Really cool product, really neat features to it. Okay, these are the sensors. So these little deals, kind of hard to see from where you guys are at, but we'll do a close-up for you. Some little contacts here on the back. And what happens is the way this device sits down, once we get just about a 16th to 3/32 of an inch of water, it shorts those two contacts and sends off a beeping. So what's really neat is that when it senses water, it'll immediately start beeping, and that beeping combined with, and let me go ahead and trigger this one for you. Okay, so it starts beeping, light starts flashing, okay? While it's doing this, it's sending a signal to the valve to go ahead and shut the water valve off for the house, okay? It will also, because it is, of course, a smart device of today, it has a mobile app, and it will ping you and let you know it sensed the leak. It will also give you the option from within that mobile app to turn the water on and off for your house, whether you're home or remote. The device is compatible with both new construction and existing. They have two different models. Really cool. But definitely take a look. There's a bunch of other options, Stop It, and a couple others that are just focused on preventing water leaks within the home. Okay, exciting new channel, exciting new products coming out. All right, that's it. That's your tech tip for today. Happy Tuesday.